bad.
Hi guys, how are you all doing? So we put up an Instagram story asking if you guys would like us to try Korean snacks or snacks from France, and you guys picked Korea, so today we decided to try Korean snacks.
So what we're basically doing is that every month we're going to try snacks for a different country. So for this month the options were France or Korea, so we're going to do Korean snacks. Next month we're going to do a different country, and then so on. So we have like 7-8 snacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 snacks. So what all do we have here? So we have some shrimp chips, we have beef dumplings, we have the world's spiciest ramen, and we might be Asians with desi, but I'm not very good with spice, and neither is she. Then we have kimchi ramen, noodle soup thing. Then we have coconut cream flavor coated peanuts. Then we have red bean milk tea, and we have, okay, I don't know how to pronounce this, so forgive me for the pronunciation, ginseng. I don't know what that is. That's the snacks.
Let's start with the chips.
Okay. This is the easiest. We've all had them before. I love them. They're absolutely wonderful. Let's try them. These are actually a bit different than normal ones. It's a little bland.
There's something different.
Yeah,
But they're good. Like, I'd snack on them.
definitely. So this one. So how many out of 10? How many points do you give it? I think it's a good 8. It's a good snack. It's a good 8 for both of us.
Yeah.
So now let's do the peanuts coconut cream flavor coated. Oh, champagne pop. Just some nuts.
You go first.
They taste like normal peanuts fried. There's no coconut flavor to it. It's just normal fried peanuts. Again, I would snack on them for sure, but there's no coconut flavor to it. Look, can you taste the coconut flavor?
It's just normal peanuts.
It's normal peanuts. So for a coconut flavored, how many points do you give it?
I don't taste any coconut.
So probably like 3 or 4. Because I like texture.
But as peanuts are good.
Yeah, that's what I want. So I would give this a 4.
I don't know, I wouldn't want to give it anything because there's no coconut flavor. It's not what it says it is.
Okay, so no points for that.
They're good.
Yeah. Dumplings now?
Let's drink some.
Okay. This you drink first. We're going to try the ginseng. It's a... Oh. All that's written is Korean ginseng.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm scared.
One more.
You're better at trying stuff.
I know. It's okay, I will try that tea first.
No, no.
You come on! Okay. I've tasted a lot of bitter things, but I'm a little nervous about this.
It smells really bad.
Okay, it's not that bad. It's like sweet in the beginning, then becomes sour. Yeah, it's like if I took sprouts or beans, boiled it in water, and then I'm drinking the water with some additional flavor. It's literally like that. It's like a vegetable, like.
It's really sweet.
And then it becomes sour.
It's just sweet. It's like I'm drinking sugar syrup mixed with like I'm drinking. I don't even know what.
2 points for me. I would never drink it again.
1.
I would never drink it again. Okay. Next drink now or after some of the food?
After some of the food.
Fine, let's have the dumplings first. So we have the dumplings and we have some soya sauce just to accompany with it. Come on.
I'm not a dumpling fan. So.
I like dumplings. I think the outside is perfect. It's fine.
It could be a 6, a 5, 6.
I'll give it a 7. It's fine.
I'm not a dumplings fan.
It's good. It's fine.
It's okay.
Okay. So boring. That was quite pretty boring, but it's okay. Now we have some. So this is basically kimchi ramen noodle soup. Okay. So let's try it. Kimchi ramen noodle soup.
This I can happen. I give it a 9 on 10.
What? Are you joking?
I really like it.
For me, it's like a 4.
I really like it.
It's like noodles. I don't know. It's fine. It's a €1 packet. It's
packaged noodles. It's good.
A 9? Really?
Yeah, I love it. This is going to be like a 2.
Okay, so this is red bean milk tea. So in this they gave me a powder, some red beans, condensed milk, and so I just had to add hot water to it and it was ready. So Shania tries this first and you have to take a full sip because the bean has to come out also.
The bean also?
Oh, there are beans in it. That's why it has a boba tea type straw. Is it hot?
Yeah, it's hot.
Did you burn yourself?
Almost. But it's pretty good.
Really?
No, I would drink it again because it tastes like milk. And I love milk. It's like sweet milk.
It is.
I really like it.
I like it. This is something I would like to drink before I go to sleep.
Yeah.
A hot cup of milk, like with some vanilla in it.
Like when you're sick of hot chocolate, this could be a really good replacement.
Alternative, yeah. It's good. I would give it an 8 on 10. It's pretty good.
It's really good.
Good job. So these are the world's spiciest like instant noodles. And we've never had them. We've had the black version of it. We've had that. But this one we've never had because the black one is also too spicy for us. And we only put half of the sauce in the black and now we've made the red, which is 2 times spicy, put the entire sauce in it. So I'm really not excited about this. And I'm not good with spice. So forgive us what you see after we try this. Come on, let's go. Let's take a proper bite. Mix it up in. So I don't think I want to try this.
That's how spicy it was. Then I got the hiccups.
It's getting really bad. It's getting really bad. You want some tea?
Yeah.
You have to finish this. Come on, that's a challenge in this video. Finish it. Come on.
You can finish it.
No, I can't. That's the challenge. I'm actually not doing that bad.
Oops.
I'm okay.
I can't eat it. I'm not eating it.
It's the Shania. It's a okay. So you lose this challenge also.
I will willingly lose this challenge. If you're telling me to eat that. god, hiccups with one bite.
Just bite to beat you. Not beat you.
Have another one. Go ahead.
It's bad.
For me, it's a 0 on 10. It gave me hiccups.
No, I think the flavor itself is really good. It's not plain spice. There's flavor to it. It's really good. So I would give it a good 9 on 10.
I agree.
The spice level is too much for us.
I think it's too much for
It's
anyone.
too much. I can feel my brain getting hot. And I'm losing the ability to speak. But other than that, if I could handle the spice, I would eat it. I really would.
The taste is good.
But we can't. Okay,
It
break.
tastes good.
Come on, get out. We need to take a break. We're back. We ate some sweets, had some water, calmed ourselves down. We can finally speak again. No hiccups. We're normal, safe again. So anyway, we hope that you enjoyed joining us. Try all these snacks. Let us know in the comments down below which countries you'd like to see us try in the future videos. And stay tuned. Our next video is out on Saturday.
Yeah. So of course, if you liked our video, hit the like button, share it, and subscribe to our channel to see more of our videos.
Bye!